Okay, last question. Question 9, part A. It says that we have a car and a truck that are traveling together on a road. At a given point, the truck continues at 40 kilometers per hour west. So the cars were moving like this, and at some point, right, let's say it's here, the truck continues traveling in this direction, but the car starts moving in a different direction, and they say that it goes onto a road that it's at 40 degrees south of east, and it travels at 30 kilometers per hour. So let's do part A. It says draw a diagram showing the motion of each vehicle relative to the ground. So I'm gonna start by drawing the easy part here, which is the truck. The truck was moving to the west, and it continues to the west. It says there it continues at 40 kilometers per hour. So I'm gonna say, okay, this will be the truck moving to the west. This is the velocity, and it's 40 kilometers per hour. This is the velocity of the truck relative to the ground. Again, in the problem they don't say relative to the ground. Actually they say nothing, but we can assume that when they say nothing is because it's relative to the ground. Now the car is moving in a different direction, right? It says that the car turned and it's moving on a road that it's 40 degrees south of east. So we need to have a reference. So we know that here I will have the north, and to this side I will have the east. So we need to draw somehow that direction that they're giving. They're saying 40 degrees south of east. That means that it's 40 degrees down because it's 40 degrees south from the east. So the car is moving in a direction that it's 40 degrees down here, and the velocity is 30 meters per second. So I'm going to use a scale here in which this 1, 2, 3 and 4 units represent 40 kilometers per hour. So if I want to draw 30 kilometers per hour, I will have to draw just 3 of these units, and I will draw them at 40 degrees down here. So 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, more or less. This will be the velocity of the car relative to the ground, and this one will be 30 kilometers per hour. So this is part 1. They just ask for a diagram showing the motion of each vehicle. So the motion of the truck to the west, right, to the left, and the motion of the car, it's at an angle of 40 degrees, and those 40 degrees are here, 40 degrees south of east. So you start in the east and you go down 40 degrees. That's part A.